Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, the project for today is mounting this grab rail on the side of the tub, and to do that I'm going to be using a hole saw because I need to cut through this piece of trim here in a reasonable fashion so it looks neat. To manage that, I'm going to take this hole saw, set it on the center point of where I want to have the handrail, and use this to cut a semicircular cut in just the trim. I don't need to cut anything out of the wood, just the trim. Then I can set this into the resulting notch, fasten it up with the 4 screws that are provided, and the job will be done. Of course, there's going to be cleanup and painting and various other bits and pieces that I have to do, but this handle is a good handle for what it is, but it doesn't grip well. It doesn't, because this surface is just slightly smaller than the face of the vacuum cup, and this being radiused on both edges has just a hair leak in there, and this comes loose. You don't want to depend on it. This will be fastened up with nice 3-inch long wood screws into pine and 2x4s. This is a solid block of wood here. So that's going to take care of that problem. Well, I got the handle up. Works quite well. It's a lot better than this vacuum mounted one. The vacuum mounted one worked, but it tended to leak down, and then you couldn't trust it. Having a handle that you can't trust is no good at all. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.